Wildfires pile on more losses. Texas. Fritch has lost hundreds of homes to tornadoes and previous fire disasters. It's like every freaking day. I pretty much wake up before I even get my coffee and see what fire's happening today. Mickey has lived just about his entire life in Fritchie, Texas, but Fritchie has not always made it easy. He recalls watching from the safety of a bar, the Renegade, in 1992 as a storm brought a cluster of tornadoes through Fritchie, leveling his apartment and 200 other homes. Then, in the spring of 2014, a blaze that locals called the Mother's Day fire incinerated about 225 or more. Now, another disaster has devastated Fritch, a tight-knit town of about 1,900 people, and made Mr. German 54 homeless again. His apartment was among dozens consumed by flames last week in one of several active wildfires that have burned a combined 1.2 million acres in the Texas Panhandle.